Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva, a free graphic design tool that you can use to create amazing visuals for your videos. So let's get started. First, open up Canva in your web browser and create a new design. You can either choose the YouTube thumbnail template or you can start with the blank canvas and adjust the size to 1280 by 720 pixel, which is the recommended size for YouTube thumbnails. Now it's time to choose your background. You can either choose a solid color, a gradient, or background image. Canva has a wide range of free backgrounds to choose from, or you can upload your own image. Add your title and subtitle. This is most important part of your thumbnail because it will tell the viewer what your video is about. Choose a font that is easy to read and make sure your title and subtitle are big enough to be seen clearly. Add your image or screenshot. This could be an image from your video or a relevant image that represents your content. Make sure your image is high quality and in focus. Add some design elements. This could be icons, shapes, or lines that help to make your thumbnail look more professional and eye-catching. Canva has a wide range of free design elements to choose from, or you can upload your own. At last, review your thumbnail and make any necessary adjustments. Make sure your thumbnail is easy to understand and stands out from the crowd. And there you have it, a simple tutorial on how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.